Why is the camera not setting up? Okay, set up the camera. Oh, sorry, y'all. We are back with another banger. Yeah, we are back with another banger. Don't play with me. Press that subscribe and like this video. Turn on notifications. Please. So we're gonna be making a yoke slime as you know, read the title if you know. So we had this thing. So it was like the yolk that came out, but it's not exactly a yolk. So yeah, it's gonna be a cupcake yolk. So we had just cut this out. So we have our purple. So it's gonna be a purple. Yeah, it's gonna be a purple cupcake yolk slime. So I need to set up this camera a little better. Oh, my camera keeps messing up. I just bought this camera. This makes me mad. This costs like $10,000. It's like these brand new cameras. Yeah. So this is it. This is the slime. It's really good slime. It's like satted out a little long.
I need my phone.
It's not your phone. It's the camera. You keep saying that. Oh, she's special. I'm sorry, y'all.
It is actually a phone.
No, it's not. She does well. But yeah. I'm with my mama.
What's the number 80?
This is my mama.
Okay, I got that.
See the big B. Okay, but yeah. Look, we're going to take some of this. First, we're going to fill the cup up with some slime, just like this. And then you should have another piece left. You're going to just take it. Ow. But yeah, you just want to like swirl it. So whirl it around it. Yep, and then you're going to take the yolk.
Let me see that where's the point.
And put it right here. And then you want to add a little yellow sprinkles to make it look like better. Yep. I kind of just cut a piece of the yolk to make it as sprinkles. But yeah. Let me start spoiling it. Yep. And ta-da! Look at it. It looks so good. I just want to eat it so bad. But this is our slime. It's so good. Okay. I'm just going to stir it.
Yep,
Let's take this silk out.
That's the play number 2.
So good. Ha! Scratch myself. Oh, you hear that? Y'all hear that? Just say, oh. I just need to press the side of the thing. Make it go to slow mo. I'm not slow mo. Okay, now watch this, y'all. Ah, y'all hear that? That's so good. That's how y'all know it's good.
2:30. That's the play number 1.
And let's see. Should I make a bubble with it? I didn't see the bubble. But yeah, I might see. If y'all pause the video, y'all can. But y'all don't want to pause the video. I got some candy corns over here. Can't really see it. I got a bag up here. With some popcorn and candy corn.
I need my phone.
Okay. Here's the candy corn. Right here. Candy corn. This is actually not edible. I'm gonna let you get your phone. Your camera in a minute. Yeah.
My phone does not my phone.
Mama said they've been left.
Okay, but yeah. Let's just do a really pretty swirl right now. I can't really see the swirl. Let me redo that swirl real quick. Comment down below if your camera can die on you. That's just comment. And comment. Oh, and do a 5. Oh, yeah. Let's just do our beautiful swirl. I might post another video about how to do good swirls. See, look at this swirl. It's not the best swirl that I ever made, but yeah. Oh, it looks even better with that on it. I might start selling some slime for $5 or for $1. This one I might sell for I gotta think about it. I might do a giveaway. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away some iPhones. I have a lot of iPhones that I really don't need. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be giving away an iPhone. This is how you get inside the giveaway. You need to like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below Slime Squad.
Yeah.
And watch all my videos. Actually, just watch one. But yeah, bye. Bye, y'all.